clue.
Blindfolds on? Yeah, I didn't leave it blank. OK, can we have our next mystery guest, please? The day Lee Hurst died. Your 90 seconds start now.
Is it RoboCop? It is! Oh, don't feed
You're
it.
dead, you're dead.
Is it a Pitbull Terrier? Is this Frank Bruno's gran? Come on there!
Frank, do you fancy being a regular panellist? I think there's going to be a spot for you.
He's an American footballer.
Yeah, well, I'm happy with that.
Yeah?
I mean, how big is he? He's not really
If you
big
can
enough.
open the door, it's not the fridge.
Is it the fridge?
Blimey.
American football, that's a good game, isn't it? So...
So you wait till he's gone before you say...
You're right.
Here we go.